Hey, it's shawnshawn here. We're ready to announce the winners for February. So, as you can see below, this is first prize, second prize, third prize, and fourth prize. And let's look at the first prize. So, first prize, you know, is this main painting. There's also a gondolier. I think it's on a Thai beach. You get a bird painting and a mountain stream. So did you guys win? Wonder who won. Let's check it out. So first prize winner is Changi's Talamud. Changi's Talamud. First prize winner. All right, let's look at second prize, guys. So first painting was Sunset Beach. There's also a lighthouse. There's this abstract painting. And another bird painting. The prize, second prize, is Pam Pratt. Pam Pratt is second prize. You guys ready for third prize? So the first, that's the one of the paintings. Another painting that was a surprise, another bird painting. This is stormy weather, sunset. And a fourth one is the forest fire. So who won the third prize? Daryl Sadler. Daryl Sadler. All right, let's move around here. Are you guys ready for fourth prize? All right, one of the paintings looks like this. We got a River Creek shot here. Our third painting. Turtle. Who doesn't like turtles, you know? And also another abstract painting. So you guys think you won? This is the last prize, guys. Let's see who it is. Our final prize winner is Jerry Hall. Jerry Hall is prize number 4. So all the winners, I'll send you instructions on, look for the email, and I'll send you instructions how to qualify. There's one more step I need to qualify for those. And you have 2 weeks to do it. So hopefully you guys respond. Some people don't respond. Some people always unsubscribe. That's obviously automatic disqualification, so don't do that. There seems to be someone who does it every time they sign up, and then they're like, I'll disqualify myself. I don't need all this spam. You're like, okay. But thanks for playing, guys.